Hello. In this video, we'll be looking at the party budget activity using Google Sheets, showing how to create simple multiplication formulas and addition formulas. So the template that we have here has two filled columns, one with items that are possible to buy to prepare for a party and the cost of each item. Then we have an empty column called number. This is where we can choose how many of each item we want to buy, and then total cost to work out how much in total are we spending on that item. There's also one row down here, total spent, where eventually we can put in this box here how much we spent overall. Now the idea is it's a party for 30 children and we have £100 budget to spend. So I start off not worrying too much about adding the numbers together and just working out around how many of each item we'd want. So crisps come in a pack of 6, so let's buy 6 of them to make sure we've got enough. Then we've got some cupcakes, maybe we need about 8 boxes of those. Sausages, they'll be popular, let's have 10 boxes of sausages. Bottles of pop, maybe we'll go for 3 bottles. Paper plates, pack of 10, 30 children, so 3 packs will be fine there. We all have some Haribos, let's have 7 packs of Haribos, and then 1 birthday cake to finish off. Now I need to work out how much I'm spending on each item. So I'm going to start off by looking at crisps. They cost £2 per pack, and I'm buying 6 packs. To create the formula, I'm going to look for a symbol that looks like a Greek E. It's normally hidden behind the sleeping snowman, the more button over here. Here it is over there. So if I click on functions, sum is the one I want. This will work for me when I'm adding, when I'm subtracting, when I'm dividing, or when I'm multiplying. So I'll click on sum. Then I'm going to click on the first box that I want to multiply. So that's the box here. Now I'm going to make the multiplication symbol. Be careful here, it's not an X. An X does not mean multiply when you're using spreadsheets. I need the star that's usually located above the 8 on your keyboard. There we go, that's the symbol that means multiplication here. Then I'm going to click on the second part of the formula and hit enter. You'll see it's worked it out as £12 for me. Now, if I hadn't done that, let's delete that box for a second. I could have gone to the functions button, gone to sum, and just type in 2, because that's how many pounds it costs to buy crisps, multiplied by 6, as I'm buying 6 pack of crisps. And it would still get me the same answer, £12. You'd even still have the pound symbol because this template has been set up so that any numbers in this column here will have a pound symbol on them. The problem with doing it that way is that if I decide that no, I want 8 packets of crisps, this number doesn't change here at all because it's not linked to that box. It was just written as 2 multiplied by 6. So let's delete that and change this back to 6. And let's do it the way we did the first time. We click on functions, we click on sum, and then we go the box there with the cost multiplied by the box here with the number and enter. Now, if I change the number of crisp packets to 8, you'll see that the total cost changes with it as well. Let's just change that back by undoing. So it's 6 again. Now I could go on and do the same for every other row. I could click on functions, click on sum, and so on. But that would be wasting some time. All I need to do is to click on the one I've already done, find the little box in the bottom right corner, drag it down, and let it go once I've reached the last row. And now you can see it's worked out all the totals for me for all the items there. Now the last thing I want to do here is work out how much I'm spending overall. So I've got the total spends column, row. Try again. Now, the last thing I want to do is work out how much I'm spending overall. So in the total spent row here, I'm going to click underneath the cost column. I'm going to use the functions and the sum button again. Since I'm only adding this time, not multiplying, it's much easier. I just click and hold on the top number, drag down and drop on the last number there. Hit enter, and it's done the maths for me straight away. It's added them together. Now I had £100 budget. I'm a bit low, so let's say that I can get 10 bags of crisps instead. There we go. You can see that the number there has gone up to 20, and the number there has increased to 82 as well. We can keep going. We can add a few more trays of cupcakes, a few more sausages. Let's double the amount of pop we have, and add a few more bags of Haribos as well. There we go. We're a bit close to the £100 now. I'm happy with that amount. And there you go. That's how in Google Sheets we create a formula to multiply and to add.